Hi friends, good afternoon. Hoping and expecting all are safe and fine. As we received yesterday late night information from Twitter that Papana sir has tweeted there as CMA inter and final examination won't be conducted this time and it will merge on December 2020th examination. So this is the good relief for CMA inter and final students because when they said might be the examination will conduct through online as we got rough data that time onwards many questions are in the mind how they will conduct because it is a very problematic and all. So yesterday night whatever they have tweeted, so on that basis it is a 99% confirmed that the examination will not conduct on September for CMA inter and final and it will be merged on December 2020. So CMA inter and final student just chill, relax and start your proper study. If you are giving single group, it is better to combine the both the groups. Whoever want to give, please combine the both the groups and study because still you have time. This is August, September, October, November, December, till 4 months you have, so you can do proper preparation and you can give the examination on December 2020. So this is a big relief for CMA inter and final. Might be official notification we will receive within 2 to 3 days, so let's wait for that. Obviously it is almost, it is declared as they won't conduct examination. Till we will wait for official notification. Let's wait for that. And foundation students, they will going to conduct our examination, so let's prepare for that. Let's see what is the new question paper, how they will take the examination and how they will handle for the remote area places students, and how whoever don't have laptop, Android phone, how they will going to manage this. So we have such kind of a question. So foundation students, if you have any kind of queries or doubt or whatever, you will face the problems, specifically village students and who don't have a laptop and all, please message me in the comment box. Let's collect all the messages and we will send the institute what they will answer for that. Let's see, because obviously your questions are might be it is very genuine and serious, might be they will take the action. So please message your any doubt or queries in comment box and we will mail it. Let's see what will happen, but till start to prepare because it is a good option. Somewhere it is a negative also, positive also, it is a good option. Let us try for the new way. Let us check how it will impact because it is a MCQs, it won't be that much difficulties. Still whatever you are facing we will see. So for foundation students, all the best guys. Try to prepare your best and give the online examination. For inter and final, now prepare a new timetable, how you can going to prepare it from now onwards and how you are going to give, and try to revise it properly because till now whatever happened, pandemic, this and all, the mind is totally disturbed. Now you have peace of mind till December examination. It has ample of time, so you can prepare yourself properly. I will make some plan for that and I will upload the video. Let us see what will happen. All the best guys. Let us wait for the official notification. As soon as it will release, we will announce it, we will update it. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.